In New Jersey, the penalties for DWI escalate if you're a repeat offender. If you're convicted of a second offense, you absolutely have to lose your license. Similarly, if you're convicted of a third offense, you're not only going to lose your license for many years, but you face mandatory imprisonment. I think it's important to keep in mind, especially when somebody's facing a third offense, that there's many things that a gifted DWI attorney can do to help somebody escape the 180-day mandatory jail. It can get rather tricky when someone has a prior conviction in another state for DWI. The reason for that is that conviction had to be based on a similar blood alcohol limit as New Jersey. For example, in New York, they have an offense ability impaired. You don't have to blow a .08 to be convicted of that offense. So we would challenge a prior conviction so that it shouldn't be treated as a prior conviction. The reality is somebody facing a third offense typically does not go to jail when we represent them. There are also those cases that we can win outright. Forget about just avoiding the 180 days jail. The key is you have to tug on all those threads. If you're not committed to tugging on all those threads and filing PCRs, you're leaving a lot on the table. And unfortunately, we see a lot of that with clients calling us after they've already been convicted. A prior conviction for DWI renders you a repeat offender. Now you're facing enhanced penalties if you get convicted on this repeat offense, whether it's a second, third, fifth, sixth. You need to exhaust all your defenses when you're a repeat offender. That's why you would come to a firm like ours.